How to see description box on YouTube video. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you want to find the description on any of the YouTube videos you watch, here's how you do it. First, launch your YouTube application. After that, simply tap on the video that you want to see and that you want to watch and see the description of. Then scroll down. After that, tap on this more icon, and this one is the description box. All the descriptions that the channel has posted or the admin has posted will appear in this section. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.